Welcome to my channel. Imagine cruising down a mountain highway when suddenly, a truck the size of a mansion pulls beside you. Not just any mansion, this thing has 2 floors, wraparound balconies, a rooftop lounge, and is that a hot tub on top? No, you're not dreaming. You're witnessing one of the most extreme, over-the-top pieces of mobile engineering the world has ever seen. And here's the kicker. It's not even the craziest one on this list. Today, I'm about to show you the top 5 most insane double-floor motorhomes you won't believe exist. These aren't RVs. These are castles on wheels, palaces with engines, each one more unbelievable than the last. And number 1, it literally folds out into a 3-story luxury villa with a pool. Let's begin. The Volkner Mobil Performance S. On the outside, it might look like a high-end tour bus. Sleek silver body, low-profile frame, glossy black trim. But once the hydraulic systems kick in, this thing transforms. First, a garage door slides open underneath the RV, and from it emerges a hidden supercar. Yes, a full-sized Bugatti Chiron, Porsche 911, or Ferrari F8 Tributo stored beneath your motorhome. The built-in car lift lowers it effortlessly to the ground. No trailer, no towing. It's literally your garage on wheels. Inside the Volkner, you're greeted by an interior so refined, it would put some 5-star hotels to shame. We're talking real oak floors, Italian leather seating, custom art panels, LED sky lighting that mimics natural daylight, and a soundproofed cinema lounge. The master bedroom, king-size bed, blackout blinds, touchscreen controls for temperature, lighting, and even the blinds. But here's where it gets wild. The Performance S features a pop-up rooftop terrace with tempered glass railings and heated flooring. Imagine watching a sunset in the Swiss Alps from your private 2nd-story deck. Wine glass in hand, 30 feet above the ground. And the price for all this luxury? Try $2.4 million before options. But hey, for a billionaire on the move, that's pocket change. The EleMMent Palazzo Superior, the name sounds futuristic. And it is. The EleMMent Palazzo Superior isn't just a motorhome. It's a moving spaceship, dressed in chrome and ambition. Designed by Mobil, this RV makes absolutely no effort to blend in. Its unique aerodynamic shell, oversized windscreen, and high-rise cab give it the appearance of a luxury spaceship. But it's what happens when you park it that makes jaws drop. One press of a button, and the Sky Lounge rises from the roof like a retractable tower. This is your 2nd-story observation deck. Glass railings, ambient lighting, panoramic views, a place to host drinks, dinners, or just flex on every other RV in sight. The interior? Think private jet meets luxury condo. We're talking Swarovski crystal accents, marble countertops, touchscreen control panels, a rainfall shower, and custom mood lighting throughout. Even the driver's cabin is insane, leather sports seats, aviation-grade steering systems, and a 360-degree camera view that wraps around the entire motorhome. Oh, and you don't drive this beast. You pilot it. The living quarters feature a retractable fireplace, a walk-in wardrobe, and walls with customizable screens that shift from artwork to TV to smart control interface. Everything in the Palazzo Superior is custom. Custom bed, custom cabinetry, even custom flooring that can change temperature based on your settings. And yes, it has a built-in espresso bar. This is luxury on a level that makes you forget it has wheels. Only a handful of these exist. And rumor has it, some owners fly them across continents just to vacation in them. The Vario Perfect 1200 Platinum. If the previous RVs were about glam and flash, the Vario Perfect 1200 Platinum is all about precision German engineering, combined with sheer extravagance. Let's start with the basics. This 39-foot monster is built on a triple-axle Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis. It has rear-wheel steering for tight turns, air suspension for a cloud-like ride, and enough power to pull a yacht, literally. But where it really stuns is inside. As you enter, the motorhome expands on both sides, revealing a 600-square-foot interior living space, with a 2nd-floor loft designed for entertainment. Yes, this beast has a full upstairs theater room. We're talking Dolby Atmos sound, 85-inch OLED screen, reclining cinema chairs, acoustic panels, blackout ceiling, and a mini bar built into the wall. The entire upstairs space is climate-controlled with independent lighting zones, smart glass skylights, and even acoustic dampening for perfect sound. But the real kicker? The roof can be transformed into an open-air deck, furnished with solar panels, shade sails, lounge chairs, and even a jacuzzi option. That's right, a motorhome with a hot tub. The kitchen features a sub-zero fridge, a Gaggenau oven, and a smart induction cooktop that syncs with your phone. There's even a climate wine fridge built into the island counter. Oh, and did we mention the heated garage underneath? Because of course, there's room for your BMW convertible. Marchi Mobil Ultralux Edition take the EleMMent Palazzo we saw earlier, and then ask, what if we doubled down on everything? That's where the Ultralux Edition comes in. This is a one-off prototype developed by Marchi Mobil for private tech investors, and it's insane. From the outside, it has the same monocoque spaceship-like shape, but it's longer, taller, and more menacing. 2 floors, full hydraulic expansion systems, and a mirrored finish so polished it reflects the world around it like chrome armor. Step inside and you enter a whole new universe. The staircase to the second level is glass, curved, and floating. It leads you to a private penthouse lounge, complete with a fireplace, a floor-to-ceiling 360 degrees view via smart tint windows, and a retractable telescope controlled by an iPad. Downstairs, you get a chef's kitchen, imported stone flooring, a biometric safe room, and a master suite with soundproofed walls and silk-wrapped ceilings. Even the air quality is controlled by a hospital-grade filtration system. Here's the best part. There's a hydraulic elevator. That's right, an elevator inside an RV. And if that wasn't enough, this motorhome is solar-powered, with 2,000 watts of rooftop panels and battery storage capable of running the entire system for 3 days, off-grid. It's less of an RV and more of a mobile luxury bunker. Only one was ever built. Rumor has it was sold for just under 12 million. The Sky Cruiser XL9, this is it. The most outrageous, most ambitious, and most jaw-dropping mobile mansion ever built. The Sky Cruiser XL9 isn't just a double-decker motorhome. It's a 3-story mechanical marvel, custom-built by a European defense contractor turned luxury designer. This machine is used by high-net-worth entertainers who need a full-time mobile base. Let's break it down. First floor, standard RV amenities, living room, dining area, gourmet kitchen, and storage space. But nothing here is actually standard. There's a built-in DJ booth, climate-controlled terrariums with live plants, and curved OLED displays that line the walls. Second floor, luxury suites, multiple. A game room with motion sensor projection walls, a meditation dome, and a glass-floored hallway that lights up as you walk. Third floor, a retractable rooftop pool. Yes, a swimming pool. It folds into the ceiling when not in use and extends using precision hydraulic arms. Surrounding it is a lounge deck, a bar, a fire pit, and yes, even a retractable drone landing pad. The whole motorhome runs on hybrid diesel-electric power, and it's supported by AI-driven stabilization tech, meaning the pool stays level even on uneven ground. It takes a team of engineers just to maintain it, and it took over 2 years and an estimated 14 million to construct. There's only one Sky Cruiser XL9 in existence. Its owner? A mystery. Some say it belongs to a retired tech billionaire. Others believe it's owned by a private space company as a luxury test vehicle. Either way, it's the undisputed king of luxury RVs. These 5 motorhomes defy the limits of design, engineering, and imagination. They're not just vehicles. They're personal empires on wheels. And while most of us will never get to sit inside one, just knowing they exist reminds us what's possible when budget and creativity collide. So now I've got to ask, if someone gave you one of these for free, but you had to live in it for an entire year, traveling nonstop, which one would you pick? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, if you thought these were insane, wait until you see the motorhome that transforms into a private yacht. Yes, seriously. Subscribe so you don't miss that next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.